pictures.
Yeah.
All right, this is the storm challenge. Me and Wiggles, we're gonna run out of here. Cornelia won't do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. She been childish. Sarah Davis. Yeah, she's videotaping for us. So we're gonna go out here.
We're gonna take your shoes
And,
off.
we're storm chasers
You don't
today.
want them. You don't
We're
want
gonna
them
go out
to
here
be
and check and see if
I'm
there's
gonna
any
be barefooted
tornadoes.
too.
No, Wiggle.
On camera.
I know. We're gonna go out
Take
here.
your sandals.
Did y'all roll up my window?
Oh, yeah, that's it. Just stop. So we're gonna go out here and see if there's any storms or tornadoes. Well, we know there's a storm. So we're gonna check the funnel clouds and stuff.
On the ocean and it's
Okay.
moving this away.
Ready, Wiggles?
And if your soul not anchored in Jesus, y'all will surely. See, you like retribution that right? That was so fun.
I didn't see any funnel clouds. So I think we're good. Good job.
I didn't hear lightning. Woo.